Deleting posts on Hudl is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Open your browser and navigate to the Hudl website, which is hudl.com. Sign in to your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the content section where your posts are located. This could be your library or any other section where you have uploaded or created content. Find the specific post you want to delete from your content library or feed. Look for options to edit or manage the post. This is usually represented by icons or buttons near the post. Select the option to delete the post. You may be prompted to confirm the deletion. If prompted, confirm that you want to delete the post. Be aware that this action is usually irreversible, so make sure you are certain about deleting the post. Once the post is deleted, verify that it's no longer visible in your content library or feed.